So when we're talking about a transfer case declutch mechanism, what we're really talking about is the ability to disconnect the path of power. So what we've got here is a drive flange coming off of one of our outputs in our transfer case, and we can see it's connected right now to our input, where our input yoke would be. So as I turn my output, what we can see is a rotating on my input side. So then it's directly connected. And so then on the underside here, below the case underneath, is where we have the other output. So we go in on this side, a yoke on the back side under there to go to an output, as well as an output right here. So we have this all connected then, and we can see that it's turning all as one unit. And so what our declutch actually is this actuator right here, and we can see the electrical contacts for the sensor to be able to tell either the ECU or the light on the dash basically whether we are in mode or out of mode. So whether we are connected into our four-wheel drive or we are disconnected into our four-wheel drive. So what I'm going to do then is I'm just going to rotate this, and you can see that it's all connected. And that would be the application air to continue to keep it connected. And then I'm going to disconnect. And we can see that now I can turn this drive flange and I am disconnected from my input on this side. So once again, I can remove that air and it stays in that position because it's going to be air operated into either mode. It's not spring applied into one of the modes, it's air into both. And so I send air into the other side, and we can see once again, it snaps into place. You can hear it snap in, and now we're driving as a complete unit. So that explains our declutch, the ability for our air on our cylinder to be able to pull that fork and move the sliding clutch into the disconnected position. Just like this.